Hi friends, today we are going to see about solutions of general aptitude of Gate 2020 question paper. First problem, a superadditive function f of dot satisfy the following property: f of x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to f of x1 plus f of x2. Which of the following function is a superadditive function for x is greater than 1? So this is the given problem. We have four options. First one is e power x, second one is e power minus x, third one is 1 by x, and fourth option is root of x, right? So we have to calculate a solution from this option, right? So I will go with option method. First I'll choose option D. I'm going to check this one. Option D is root of x. So I'm going to substitute this root of x in this defined property. So defined property is this one: f of x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to f of x1 plus f of x2, right? So if I'm substituting this root of x in this defined property, it becomes root of x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to root of x1 plus root of x2, right? And we have two values of x. One is x1, another one is x2. So I'm going to assume values for x. I'm going to assume x1 as 2 and x2 is 3, right? Next we have to substitute this x1 and x2 values 2 and 3 in this equation. Therefore it becomes 2 plus 3 means root of 5 is greater than or equal to, for x1 the value is 2, so it becomes root 2 plus, next one is for x2 we have to substitute the value root 3, so it becomes root of 3. So we get this equation: root 5 is greater than or equal to root 2 plus square root of 3, right? Next I'm going to substitute the values for root 5, root 2, root 3. So we know this value: root 5 value is 2.236 is greater than or equal to, and root 2 value is 1.414 plus, and root 3 value is 1.732. By solving this we get this equation. So here 2.236 is greater than or equal to 3.146. So this is not satisfied because 2.23 is lesser value than this value. But according to the defined property, we have to get higher value in this side than right hand side, right? So here the condition is not satisfied, hence root x is not superadditive function. Next I will check with option A. Option A is e power x. I will choose option A. So e power x. Next I'm going to substitute this e power x in this defined property. So it will become e power x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to e power x1 plus e power x2, right? So it will become like this. Next I'm substituting the values of x1 and x2. So e power 2 plus 3 is greater than or equal to e power 2 plus e power 3. And after I'm going to substitute the values of e power 5, e power 2, e power 3. It becomes 148.413 is greater than or equal to 7.389 plus 20.085. By solving this we get this equation. So therefore it becomes 148.413 is greater than or equal to 27.474. Here we have left hand side is greater than right hand side. So this condition, defined property, is satisfied. Therefore e power x is superadditive function. So therefore in this problem the solution is e power x. Second problem, it is 3:15 in your watch, the angle between hour hand and minute hand. So this is the given problem. In this problem we have four options: 0 degree, 22.5 degree, third option is 15 degree, and fourth option is 7.5 degree. In this problem we have to calculate the angle between hour hand and minute hand. That's right. Here the given data is 3:15, right? So 3:15 means 3 hours 15 minutes. So this is the clock. In clock we have minute hand and hour hand. For minute hand it will take 360 degree for one complete rotation, right? For our hand, it will take only 30 degree for one complete rotation. That is for one complete rotation of minute hand, the hour hand will move this part, right? So this part will cover 30 degree. That is we can do 360 degree divided by 12. So we get 30 degree. So 12 means here we have 12 parts now. For one part it is 30 degree, right? So we should find out the total 360 divided by 12 means we get 30 degree. So therefore in 1 hour our hand will move 30 degree clockwise, right? In this problem we have to find out 3 hours 15 minutes, right? So 15 minutes, this is the hour hand, 3 hours will be minute hand. So we have to find out for 15 minutes our hand will rotate at what, right? So for 15 minutes the hour hand will rotate 30 degree into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means it is nothing but 15 minutes, right? So 15 minutes means it is a quarter part, right? Quarter part, this is the 15 minutes. So quarter part means we should write 1 by 4. So 30 into 1 by 4 we get 7.5 degree. So this is the solution for this given problem. We can also use shortcut method. This is theta is equal to 30 into hour hand minus 11 into minute hand divided by 2. So we know the value of hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand value is 3 and minute hand value is 15, right? So we should substitute the value here and we get 7.5 degree. So we can use both method, right? Thank you.